Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about Bootstrap Carousel. We will understand what a carousel is, why we use it, where we can use it, and we will also look at a practical example from the Bootstrap documentation. So let's get started. First, let's understand what a carousel is. A carousel is basically a slider that allows us to display multiple images or content in the same space. You may have seen this slider on different websites where images or banners change and we can move between them using previous and next button. That is a carousel. So, why do we use a carousel? We use a carousel when we have multiple images, banners, offers, or content that we want to show in a limited space. For example, we can use it on a website homepage, e-commerce website, portfolio, travel website, or image gallery. For an e-commerce website, we can use a carousel to display different offers or product banners. Bootstrap gives us different ready-made carousel examples, so we don't have to build the complete component from scratch. Let's take this basic example. First slide has the active class which tell Bootstrap that this is the slide that should be displayed first. Then we have the other slides, and here we have the previous and next control, which allow us to move between the slides. Now, let's look at the output provided by Bootstrap. As you can see, we have our first slide here. When I click on the next button, it moves to the next slide. And when I click on the previous button, it takes me back to the previous slide. So this is how a Bootstrap carousel works. We understand some important classes used here. Carousel creates the main carousel. Carousel inner contain all the slide. Carousel item represent each slide and active define the slide that is shown first. We also have carousel control previous and carousel control next for the previous and next button. Now don't just watch this example. Whenever you are building your own project, if you need a slider or multiple banners in the same space, try using a carousel yourself. You can come to the Bootstrap documentation, take this example, understand it, and then customize it according to your project. Change the images, add your own content, add more slides, and try different options. Don't just copy and forget it. Practice it yourself. And here, a small task for you. Create your own three-slider carousel. Use your own image and content and try to customize it according to your project. Try it yourself first, and if you face any issue or have any question related to this topic, let me know in the comments. I will try my best to help you. And that's it for Bootstrap Carousel. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Code with Khan Developer for more beginner-friendly coding tutorials. Keep practicing, keep building, and keep learning. Thank you so much for watching this video.